Hi, I'm Miss Rosas, and today we are going to be talking about and doing plant propagations. Before we start with our experiment, I want to explain to you guys what propagation means. Propagation means when you have a plant, let's call this one the mama plant, and you make more plants here out of this one plant. I've had this plant for about a year and I wanted more of these plants, but I didn't want to go buy them. So I took it out of the soil, I separated this one, and I put it in water, and if you see here, it's growing more babies. And so is this one. So now I have more plants from this one. And that is propagation, making more plants from one plant. So what we're gonna be propagating today is a green onion. Yeah, I could go buy them at the store every time I need them, but because I love them so much and I use them so often, I'd rather just have a bunch of these growing in my backyard whenever I need them. And I love this one to propagate because if you see the roots, these roots are perfect for growing. And I'm going to show you how to make them grow healthy and strong, and so the plant can grow healthy and strong. So let me show you what you're gonna need. Well, you're gonna need a green onion, and you're gonna need some scissors. Make sure you have an adult with you when you're using these scissors. And you're gonna need a glass jar. A plastic jar is fine too. Okay, so time to propagate. To propagate the green onion, I cut right here, right where like the white starts. This is called the bulb. I cut right at the bulb, and I'm gonna take my little jar and I'm gonna put it right in there. And you don't want to completely submerge it. You don't want to drown the plant. So see, it's sticking out just a little bit, and that's what you want. And now it's super important to put this plant, this propagation, where it's gonna get a lot of sunlight. If it doesn't get sunlight, it's not gonna grow. So either put it by your window or put it outside, but it needs a lot of sunlight. I wanna show you guys some of my propagations. So I did the exact same thing I showed you. I grabbed my little green onion after I finished using it, and I didn't throw it away. I put it in water, and then 4 weeks later, this happened. So this has been growing for, about 4 weeks. Look at those roots, and look at how much it's grown up top. So this one's actually ready to plant. I'll be doing that in a little bit. And then this one's about 2 weeks. Again, really beautiful roots. Hasn't grown a lot up top, but I think it's still, it'll get there. So yeah, I'm gonna plant this one on soil too and hope for the best. So I'm going to plant my propagations that I've had and hope for the best. Hope that they grow nice and strong, and that way I can get more green onions in my own home. And when you're planting a plant, and it's like a baby like this, it's super important that you water it often, especially if it's gonna be somewhere where it's hot or outside or by a window where it's getting a lot of sunlight. It's super important that you water it often, otherwise it's just gonna die. And we don't want that. So this one is gonna go outside where you can get a lot of sun and a lot of water. And this one is gonna go by my window where it's also gonna get a lot of sunlight, and hopefully it'll grow as strong as this one. you so much for joining me in propagating these green onions. I hope you guys try it next time you have some spare bulbs at your house. Don't throw them away. Propagate them. Start your own garden. Thank you so much and have a great day.